Me and my nephew Braylan getting ready to get in the creek for a second round down here where I went before.
Got one?
Yeah. Pretty good one. He took it as soon as I put it down. I'm gonna set the hook. He may throw it. Got him. That's a pretty good now, this little creek.
I'm gonna have to throw me wacky.
I'm telling you, wacky's the way to go. I got plenty of them. What do you think about Braylan?
Looks pretty good for the creek.
Got a little belly on it, don't it? There he goes. Oh man, he threw my worm off. You got one?
No.
Hold on, mate.
American flag on my truck. I better catch something
You had the American flag where?
on my truck. Another one?
Small one.
Same one?
Nah, he's bigger. The other one was bigger. He flipped my hook off too. I mean, my worm off too. Daggone, where did it go? Yeah, he's real small. You got one.
Got him.
All right.
Maybe I'm not skunked after all.
There you go.
Oh, that's fine.
That's fine.
Come on.
Them hooks are hard to get out.
Yeah. It's almost out. It's just the barb stuck in the skin.
There you go. Show him up to the camera. There, quick release. I didn't set the hook good on it.
I didn't either.
Don't go to Braylan.
Okay. Well, if the guy's watching this, he should sponsor us and give us some of his merch.
Will we just take his merch
Yeah.
to do the fish?
Yeah. He's got big fishing stuff I'd like to get.
I don't know if I've ever checked the store out. Look, Adam's got something. Something's hit it. Let's let her go. Oh.
Oh, you're fine. I'm hoping I was going to say something.
It's a little bitty thing. Rock bass or bluegill. Little bluegill. No, I don't know. Pretty good size bluegill.
Oh, look at the colors on that. I haven't saw a bluegill like that in my life.
It's a pretty one.
Yeah. Hold it up in the light.
Oh well. There it goes. I know there's a big one in here. Where you at, old big one? This is a good. Go! You see him jump?
Yeah, there's one. Oh, there was one on mine too.
He's a fighter. He's a fighter.
Look at him. It's a big one for a creek.
Yeah. Pretty good size for a creek.
Red eyes too.
What do you think? 15 inches? Do two. Oh, there you go. Braylan got one on. A smallmouth.
Come on.
If he don't put a hook in his mouth,
Yes.
he don't make it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, he's bleeding.
He's all right. It's just on his mouth.
I think that went straight through his jaw.
Can you get it off?
Yeah, I got it off.
Okay. Yeah, he's fine. Oh, hold it up for the camera. There you go. You got one? Oh, that's a good one, brother. Oh, that's a good. That's a good. Oh man, that's a dandy. Oh man. Woo-hoo.
Hold her up.
Oh, okay. Grab him. Grab his mouth. Whew, man.
He's very different.
Oh, we got it on camera.
Yeah.
Put your hand in their mouth. So that's it. We're heading out. Braylan caught a good one right here at the end. He caught the biggest fish of the day for sure.